Hey guys, just Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our beautiful new listing. Look at this sun-drenched contemporary style home. This is 418 River Street in Windsor, Connecticut. It is a gorgeous 3-bedroom contemporary. It gets loads of light, has nice soaring ceilings. What I love about this house, it's got a great sunroom attached off a multi-level deck, perfect for entertaining. Have all your friends and family over. Enjoy all the seasons that Connecticut has to offer here. It's really just such a lovely, lovely spot. The sun just pours in here. This great sized kitchen that has wonderful eat-in space, granite counters, nice tile backsplash. It's got a lovely family room here, as you can see, with nice wood burning fireplace as well. Gas heat, central air, public utilities. Even better, they've got a partially finished lower level. The master features an ensuite attached bath along with a walk-in closet. Really great location here. If you like to fish, you're close to great fishing in the state. You are close to Bradley International Airport. 91 if you need to commute to either Hartford or Springfield. Yet tucked away in a great little private community, close to shopping, close to tons of restaurants, and so much more. Look at these beautiful French doors going out onto this sun-drenched sunroom here. Even better, they've also got fully paid for solar, so you do not have utilities with power. You're gonna love it. If you want more details on the property, hitting the market in just a few days, give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.